Here we go. I can't seem to get